next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a share sheet for your web application using JavaScript. So I am using Next.js, but you can use anything which you want to. The code will remain more or less the same. First things first, like this share API is not supported in all browsers. Like what I tested, like it will work on Android and iOS, most probably for Android on Chrome and iOS on Safari. And but I'm testing it on Mac OS. Like when you test it on Android and iOS, just like how you see the share sheet for a native app, similar would be displayed for your web app as well. But I'm on desktop, on Mac OS it works only on Safari. Like it didn't work on Firefox for me. I'm not sure about Chrome. So here you can see, if I click on the share button now, it is displaying me the share options, but in mobile it would be much better. So here I have aborted, that's why it is displaying an alert. So yeah, let's get started with the code. It's pretty simple. Here I have just created a JavaScript object with title, text and a URL, and on button click here I am just calling navigator.share data, and if there is any error I'm just displaying putting that error inside an alert message. So yeah, pretty simple. Thank you for watching. Bye.